Hey friends, you are watching Sargo Education. In this video, you will learn resolve into factor of advanced trinomial, that is advanced middle term. If you don't know about trinomial and resolve factor, please see my previous video. Video link given in description below. Here we have three mathematical problem. Try to solve first one. In middle term method, we multiply this term into this term, that is 2x square into minus 5, and the result is minus 10x square. Here the numerical term is 10. Now find out its factor. 10 can divided by 2 and result is 5. 5 can divided by 5 and result is 1. Now which are the factors are? That is 2 and 5. Now plus 2 and plus 5 is equals to plus 7, which is maximum number of this. But in our term, middle term is minus 9. So how can find it minus 9? Do you know? Okay. 10 have also factor 1 and 10. We use here 1 and 10 here. Do you know how to find out this factor? That is all factor of a number. If you don't know, please see our another video given in our channel. Okay. Now plus 1 and plus 10 can make plus 11. But our term is minus 9. So if we write 10 minus 1, that is plus 9. But our term is minus 9. So we can write minus 10 plus 1. That is minus 9. Okay. Now we rewrite this term as like this. That is 2x square minus 10x plus x and minus 5. Now try to common in these two terms, that is 2x, here remain x and here remain minus 5. And is there any term of 2 of this x and minus 5? No. So we can common here 1 because 1 is the common factor of all terms. So we can write here x minus 5. Here x minus 5 and x minus 5 is twice. Then we can common x minus 5 here. Then the remaining terms is 2x and plus 1. That is the answer of this math. Now we try another one. Here the side term of this and this, but there is a common term among of them, that is x. So we common here first. That is the example we say in our first video, binomial term into trinomial, that is middle term with binomial term. Okay, if we common x from here, then it remains x square, and x common from here, then it remains 6x, and after common x from 8x, then it remains 8. So these terms are look as like our middle term. So we can use here middle term method. That is, we multiply 8 and x square here. That is 8 into x square. It makes 8x square. Here the numerical term is 8. We find 8 factors here. 8 can divide by 2. That result is 4. And 4 can also divide by 2. Then result is 2. So what is the factor of 8? 2, 2 and 2. That is 2 into 2 makes 4 and multiplied by 2 we get 8. So what is the middle term of this? This is 6. How can we find it? We can multiply two terms as once, that is 4 and 2. Now 4 and 2 can make 6. That is plus 6, which is the middle term of our given math. Now we can rewrite this math as x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. Now we take common from this two term. That is, we need to common x, and after then it remains x, and here 4. And common from here, that is 2, and it remains x plus 4 here. Here x plus 4 and x plus 4 is twice. Then we can common x plus 4 and remains x is here and plus 2 is here. Okay, this is the solution of our second math. Now what about third term? Okay, here two side terms is 6x square and 1. Now we multiplied 6x square into 1. That is 6x square. Here the numerical term is 6. Now find out the factor of 6. 6 can divide by 2. Then answer is 3. So it is easy. The factor are 2 and 3. After adding 2 plus 3, we get plus 5. But in our middle term, here it is minus 5. So we can write minus 2, minus 3. Then we can get minus 5. Okay. Now we rewrite this term. 6x square minus 2x minus thrice x and plus 1. We can take common 2x from here. Then it remains 3x minus 1. And here these are no common terms. That we can take minus 1 as common. Then it remains 3x and change the sign minus 1. Here 3x minus 1 is twice. Then we take 3x minus 1 is once and remains here 2x and minus 1. This is the solution of third math. But some cases we cannot apply middle term method. Do you know what or which kind of polynomial of that? Okay, I write here 2x square minus 5x minus 1. Do you solve it? Okay, if you want to know in which method it can be solved, so you can see our more advanced method video. Link given in description below. If you like our video, please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.